everyone, welcome to Olajo the Crocheting Sailor. I forgot this crochet kit. I cannot believe when I looked at my thumbnail. Oh my goodness, I saw this kit. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. I'm so sorry. This is from my TEMU haul. So we are going to open this together. So you just peel that plastic back and open this up. I'm going to start pulling some items out for you very quickly. So I'll be right back. This is the Crafty Creation DIY Crochet Handbag Kit. And I purchased it for $16.19. This is what it will look like. It looks like some nice puff stitches in there. Very pretty. It has a video tutorial and it says perfect for beginners. So it has a nice rounded handle. This is the body of the bag and it's showing the bottom in this powder blue and white. Inside it does have instructions on how to put this together, and you can also use the code. I forgot what you call that, scan code. So inside of the plastic bag, it has the locking stitch markers, 2 purple ones and 2 yellow ones. Oh, they're flying everywhere, but there they are. And a purple tapestry needle also. Comes with a crochet hook. This is a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. And it's an ergonomic design. This reminds me, and it has the feel of the clover hooks. I was a clover girl before I was a FURLS girl. So this is powder blue, even though in the picture it seems and appears that it is a darker color. It is light blue. It has a nice softness to it. So it's not rough at all. This is great for beginners. This construction should not split. So that's why, to me, this will be great for beginners. So you get 2 of the powder blue. You get 2 of the white. And then you get a small bundle of the powder blue and the white to finish off the bag. I must say, it says new to crochet, starting with the pattern only can be rough. We strongly recommend to follow our step-by-step detailed video tutorials. So please do that if you are interested in getting this bag. Thank you for tuning in to Olajo the Crocheting Sailor. I greatly appreciate you. You all have a wonderful day. And remember to live each day as if it were your last. I'll see you guys next time.